What's up? So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the last layer of a Megaminx. So the first two layers are pretty easy. They're pretty much just like a 3x3. These turns are like these turns. Yeah, and you have to solve the cross, these in line, and then the corners. So then you have to do this algorithm that you do. It's a 3x3 to put the edges in place. This algorithm. Okay. So now I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the last layer. So what you want to do is you want to align it like this, and if you don't have any left, then if you don't have any solved, then you're going to do this algorithm. It's pretty much just like this algorithm. If you have this solved on a cube, you do, and then it solves it for you. But in this case, we have one left. So that's good. That's pretty much like having this. So what you want to do is you want to do the soon algorithm. So you do pretty much just like the regular algorithm. And then if you're still not solved, you do it again like I showed you. And we're up to the next algorithm. So what you do for this algorithm is you find, if there's one solved, you put it at the top right. But if there are no solved, you can just do any one you want. What this algorithm is going to do is it's going to move this one to here, this one to here, and this one to here. So we need to get this one to here because that would solve it. See? So what you want to do is this algorithm. Put this at the top. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. And as you see, this one's in the right place. It's just twisted wrong. We'll come back to that later. So do the algorithm again, and you'll see it'll solve it. Because we have green here, it'll solve the green. Blue here, solve the blue. And this one will solve this. So same algorithm. And now we have two twisted corners. Now on a 3x3 that won't happen. Usually you only have 3 twisted. That's the max. You can never have. Well, you can have 2 twisted, but this corner can be twisted as much as it wants, and it'll affect these. So what you want to do is you want to do the corner swap twisting algorithm. So it's down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, and up. And then you see we have all this mess right here, but that's okay. So just move the top to the other one that's not solved. And then you go down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And you can see we only have one corner twisted. Technically, this one or this one's twisted, but it's alright. So you want to do the same algorithm. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And then twist the top so you can see this corner. One of these. Go down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And there you go, it's solved. cool, isn't it? That's it, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe. See you next time. 3WCC out.